Hello, you're welcome once again to New Focused Approach to Mathematics Basic 8. This is the revised edition. And in this lesson, we are looking at solving linear equations involving brackets, mixed numbers, fractions, and so on and so forth. This lesson can be found in page 155. We'll take few examples and see how far we can go with this. Find the solution set of the equation 10x plus 10 is equals to 4 into bracket x minus 5. And so what we can do first is to expand the bracket here, which we have 4x, that is 4 times this, and 4 times that will give us minus 20. The next thing is to group like terms. So I have 10 here. I can move this 20 to become plus 10, also plus 20. I have my 4x. I move this one as positive to become minus x. Now this will give me 30 and this will give me 3x. If I divide both sides by 3, I have my x to be equal to 10. And so to say the truth set, we'll say x such that x is equals to 10. And that is the answer. Let's take another example. Right. So we have to solve this equation. And so we have to expand the bracket first. So we move the 2/3 to multiply this at the same time multiply that. So 2/3 to multiply this simply means you're having 2, 3 times 6, right? And then 3 can divide this off 1 and 3 can divide here 2. So that's how the work is going to be like. Right. So let's go. So 2/3 times 6 will give us 4y. That means the 3 will cancel the 6 as 2, and the 2 will multiply 2 times y. Minus 2/3 times negative 2 will give us 4 or 3. What it means is that you have 2 over 3 times negative 2. So here is over 1. And so 2 times 2 is 4, then 3 times 1 is 3. Then we are done with that part. We come here. Half times 2y will give us just y, meaning the 2 would cancel the 2. Plus half times 8 will give us 4 as well. So trying to group like terms, we have our 4y here. Move this y to become minus y here. Then we have 4 here. Move this to become plus 4/3. Whilst we subtract this to give us 3y, we simplify this by finding the LCM. Okay, so here is over 1. 1 divides 3 as 3 times 4 will give us 12. Plus 3 divides 3 as 1 times, that will give us 4. 3y is equals to, here we have 16 on 3. So let me go back like this. 3y is equals to 16 on 3. If I multiply or I do cross multiplication, I have 9y is equals to 16. Dividing both sides by 9 will give us 16 over 9. So when you try to divide 16 by 9, no number can divide both 16 and 9 at the same time. And so we can leave our answer this way, or we could also write our answer in the mixed fraction form by saying this will be one whole number 7 over 9, 1/7. So that becomes our answer. Let's take the last example and see. We have to solve this equation. That means we are making x the subject. We are solving for the value of x. So as it stands here, we can decide to find the LCM and say multiply through by the LCM. And so to multiply through by the LCM, which of course the LCM is 12, every term will be multiplied by 12. Every term will be multiplied by 12. That is what it means. And so here by 12, then the 4 can divide itself and 4 can divide here as 3. So we're going to have 3 multiplying the 2x minus 2. Then minus is here already, that is this one. Then here 2 by 12. 3 can divide itself 1 and divide here 4. And the 4 will multiply 2 of the x minus 1. all is equals to 1 also times 12 will give us 12. Then we expand and simplify. So the first term here we have 6x minus 6, right? Then minus 8x. Then negative 4 times negative 1 will give us plus 4, right? Is equals to 12. Good. We can group like terms and simplify further. So 6x minus 8x will be equal to the 12 which is here. Then this will give us minus 4 here. This will also come as plus 6. As we subtract this, which gives us negative 2x, 12 minus 4 will be 8 plus 16, and that will give us 14. So since we want to make x the subject, we divide here by negative 2, and so therefore our x will be equal to negative 7, and that becomes the answer. Right. I'm sure you've learned a lot with this. Thanks so much for watching.